Welcome to our countdown of the top 20 most popular cat breeds. From fluffy giants to sleek and elegant felines, these beloved breeds have captured hearts worldwide. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Get ready to discover their unique personalities, stunning looks, and why they're adored by cat lovers everywhere. 20. Burmese. The Burmese cat is an affectionate and playful breed that loves human interaction. Originating from Myanmar and developed further in the United States, these medium-sized cats have sleek, short coats in warm shades of brown, blue, and lilac. Burmese cats are known for their dog-like loyalty, following their owners from room to room and engaging in playful antics. Their soft, expressive eyes and outgoing nature make them perfect companions for families and individuals alike. 19. Devon Rex. The Devon Rex is a quirky and affectionate cat known for its large ears, short curly coat, and playful personality. Originating in England in the 1960s, these cats are highly intelligent and love to entertain their owners with energetic antics. They thrive on attention and are often compared to mischievous little pixies due to their expressive faces and curious nature. Despite their delicate appearance, Devon Rex cats are athletic and love to jump and explore. 18. Abyssinian. One of the oldest known cat breeds, the Abyssinian is an elegant and active feline with a short, ticked coat that gives it a wild appearance. Thought to have originated in ancient Egypt, these cats are incredibly intelligent and thrive on interaction and play. Abyssinians are known for their love of heights and will often perch on shelves or high furniture to observe their surroundings. They are affectionate but not overly clingy, making them ideal for owners who want an independent yet loving pet. 17. Scottish Fold. The Scottish Fold is easily recognizable due to its unique folded ears, which give it an adorable owl-like appearance. These cats have sweet, calm personalities and form strong bonds with their families. Originating in Scotland in the 1960s, Scottish Folds can have either short or long coats in a variety of colors. They are gentle, affectionate, and enjoy lounging around the house while still engaging in playful spurts of energy. 16. Oriental Shorthair. The Oriental Shorthair is a sleek and slender breed related to the Siamese. With its striking almond-shaped eyes, large ears, and fine coat, this cat is a true beauty. Oriental Shorthairs come in over 300 color variations and patterns, making them one of the most diverse cat breeds. They are extremely vocal and love to communicate with their owners, often following them around and talking with their signature meows. 15. Norwegian Forest Cat. The Norwegian Forest Cat is a large and majestic breed with a thick, waterproof coat that protects it from the harsh Scandinavian winters. These cats are independent but loving and enjoy climbing and exploring their environment. They have a history dating back to Viking times and are known for their muscular build and tufted ears. Despite their wild look, Norwegian forest cats are gentle and affectionate, making them great family pets. 14. Russian Blue. The Russian Blue is an elegant and mysterious breed with a short, dense, silvery blue coat and striking green eyes. Originating from Russia, these cats are known for their reserved yet affectionate nature. They are intelligent, enjoy playing with puzzle toys, and form deep bonds with their owners. Russian Blues are ideal for quiet households, as they are often shy around strangers but incredibly loyal to their families. 13. Tonkinese. The Tonkinese is a playful and affectionate cat that combines the best traits of the Siamese and Burmese breeds. With their silky coats, striking blue or aqua eyes, and lively personalities, Tonkinese cats are highly social and love to be the center of attention. They are energetic, enjoy interactive play, and are known for their affectionate nature, making them great companions for families and singles alike. 12. SPHNX. The SPHNX is one of the most unique cat breeds, known for its lack of fur and wrinkled skin. Despite their hairless appearance, SPHNX cats are incredibly warm and love to cuddle for warmth. These cats are highly social, energetic, and thrive on human attention. They are often described as having dog-like personalities, following their owners everywhere and enjoying playtime. Due to their lack of fur, SPHNX cats require regular bathing to remove excess oils from their skin. 11. Bengal. The Bengal cat is a striking breed known for its wild-looking, leopard-like coat and high energy levels. A cross between domestic cats and the Asian leopard cat, Bengals are active, intelligent, and require plenty of mental and physical stimulation. They are water-loving cats that often enjoy playing in sinks or fountains. Bengals are affectionate but need owners who can keep up with their playful and adventurous nature. 10. British Shorthair. The British Shorthair is one of the oldest and most beloved cat breeds, known for its round face, dense plush coat, and sturdy build. Originally bred in the United Kingdom for hunting rodents, they have adapted over centuries into calm and affectionate companions. Their signature thick fur, which comes in a variety of colors, gives them a teddy bear-like appearance, making them incredibly charming. Despite their affectionate nature, British Shorthairs are not overly demanding. They enjoy companionship but are equally content spending time alone. They are quiet, easygoing, and excellent for families, singles, and seniors alike. Unlike some playful breeds, they tend to be more reserved, preferring lounging to climbing. Their independent yet loving nature makes them one of the best low-maintenance breeds for those looking for a relaxed, friendly cat. 9. Burmese. The Burmese cat is a highly affectionate and playful breed, known for its deep bond with its human companions. Originally from Myanmar, these cats were brought to the U.S. in the 1930s and selectively bred, resulting in a breed with a short, sleek coat, expressive golden eyes, and a compact yet muscular body. Burmese cats are incredibly social and thrive on interaction, often following their owners from room to room. Unlike some independent breeds, the Burmese craves attention and does not like to be left alone for long periods. They are known for their dog-like loyalty and often enjoy playing fetch, learning tricks, or curling up in their owner's lap. This breed is ideal for families, as they get along well with children and other pets, bringing an abundance of love and playfulness into the home. 8. Exotic Shorthair. The exotic Shorthair is often referred to as the lazy Persian, due to its resemblance to the Persian cat but with a short, dense coat that requires less grooming. These cats share the same round faces, large eyes, and affectionate temperament as their Persian relatives, making them one of the most adorable and sought-after breeds. The exotic Shorthair is playful yet calm, often preferring to lounge around rather than engage in hyperactive behavior. They are gentle, quiet, and love attention but are not as vocal as other breeds. Their plush coat is soft to the touch, giving them a cuddly and charming appeal. Unlike high-maintenance breeds, their easy-care fur makes them a great option for owners who want the Persian look without the grooming challenges. They bond deeply with their families and are well-suited for both individuals and multi-pet households. 7. American Shorthair. The American Shorthair is one of the most adaptable and well-balanced cat breeds. Originally bred to control rodents on ships and farms, these cats are robust, muscular, and highly independent. They have a distinctive round face, medium to large size, and a dense coat that comes in various colors and patterns. Despite their working cat history, American Shorthairs have become beloved house pets due to their friendly and easygoing nature. They are low maintenance, highly intelligent, and known for their longevity, often living well into their late teens. Unlike some high-energy breeds, American Shorthairs enjoy playtime but are not overly needy, making them perfect for busy households. They get along well with children, other pets, and even strangers, making them an ideal breed for families looking for a low-maintenance, affectionate companion. 6. Ragdoll. The Ragdoll is one of the most affectionate and gentle cat breeds, known for its stunning blue eyes, silky semi-long fur, and unique tendency to go limp when picked up, hence the name Ragdoll. These large, plush cats were developed in the 1960s in the US, and have since become one of the most popular breeds due to their relaxed, friendly demeanor. Ragdolls thrive on human companionship and will often follow their owners around the house like a loyal dog. They enjoy being held, cuddled, and carried, making them perfect for those who want a snuggly lap cat. They are quiet, intelligent, and get along well with children and other pets. Ragdolls require regular grooming to keep their beautiful coats tangle-free, but their affectionate nature and calm disposition make them one of the best breeds for families and cat lovers alike. 5. Persian. The Persian is one of the most elegant and iconic cat breeds, known for its long, luxurious coat, round face, and big expressive eyes. Originally from Persia, modern-day Iran, these cats have been adored for centuries for their sweet, gentle personalities and regal appearance. Persians are calm, affectionate, and prefer a serene environment, making them excellent indoor pets. They are not as active as some breeds and often enjoy lounging on soft cushions or being pampered by their owners. However, their thick, flowing coat requires daily grooming to prevent matting and tangling. Persians are devoted companions who enjoy human interaction but are also content with alone time. Their quiet, relaxed nature makes them perfect for those looking for a low-energy yet affectionate feline. 4. Maine Coon. The Maine Coon is the largest domesticated cat breed, often referred to as the gentle giant of the cat world. These majestic cats originated in North America and are well adapted to cold climates, thanks to their thick, water-resistant fur, large tufted paws, and bushy tails. Maine Coons are highly intelligent, playful, and affectionate, often forming strong bonds with their human families. Unlike some independent breeds, they enjoy interacting with people and are known for their dog-like loyalty. They are also highly skilled climbers and love exploring high spaces. Despite their large size, Maine Coons are incredibly gentle and sociable, making them great for families with children and other pets. Regular grooming is needed to maintain their thick coat, but their charming personality and friendly nature make them one of the most beloved cat breeds in the world. 3. Siamese. The Siamese is one of the most vocal, intelligent, and striking cat breeds, known for its sleek body, piercing blue almond-shaped eyes, and distinctive color points. Originating from Thailand, Siamese cats have been cherished for centuries for their social and affectionate personalities. They are highly communicative, often engaging in conversations with their owners through loud, distinctive meows. Siamese cats love human interaction and will often follow their owners around the house, seeking attention. They are highly trainable and enjoy playing with puzzle toys or learning tricks. Their short, fine coat requires minimal grooming, making them a great choice for those looking for an interactive and loving feline companion. 2. Scottish Fold. Scottish Folds are adorable, affectionate cats best known for their unique folded ears, which give them an owl-like expression. Originating from Scotland, these cats have a gentle, playful, and easygoing temperament, making them wonderful companions. They enjoy spending time with their owners and are highly adaptable to different living environments. Scottish Folds are not overly energetic but enjoy interactive playtime. Due to their genetic mutation that causes the folded ears, potential owners should ensure responsible breeding practices to avoid health issues. Despite this, their sweet disposition and affectionate nature make them one of the most beloved cat breeds. 1. Domestic Shorthair. The domestic Shorthair is the most common and diverse cat breed worldwide. Unlike pedigree breeds, domestic Shorthairs come in a wide variety of colors, patterns, and personalities. They are often found in shelters and make fantastic, loving pets for any household. Known for their hardiness, adaptability, and low-maintenance nature, these cats thrive in various environments, from busy city apartments to quiet countryside homes. They are affectionate, friendly, and often form strong bonds with their families. Since they are not a single standardized breed, each domestic Shorthair has a unique personality, making them a one-of-a-kind companion. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 20 most popular cat breeds. Which breed is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing pet content.